everyone, it's me again, Lenny channel. Today I'm making a video of what's in my fridge. Well, as we all know, I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, so I would like to show you guys what's in my fridge. So yeah, I'll take you guys to my fridge and show you what's in there. So yeah, here we go. But just a side note, I haven't cleaned my fridge in a while, so please excuse my mess. Alright, and I'll show you also what's in my freezer. So okay, so there. I got pears right there, Bartlett pears. Persimmons in the bag, and I have 3 dragon fruits, slices of lemon, 2 pomegranates, and I made a vegetable pancit. That's the one in the bag, and I have some slices of avocado in there. Alright, so right here I had strawberries in the bag, cotton candy grapes. This is the Concord grapes. Next to it is blueberries. There's more in the bag too. And I got some raspberries here. And also there's more persimmons in the back. Back there. And blackberries right here in the front. And the bottom one, I have a bunch of apples, ambrosia apples, red apples, the golden apples, and Fuji, and some what's the other one? I'll forget the other one, but that's pretty good right there. And oranges right here. Those are really good oranges. More persimmons right there. And I got salad mixes here. I got greens, spring mix, lettuce, and all the good stuff. So two more, and this is where I put I got cauliflower, eggplant, lemons, cucumbers, broccoli, bell peppers. That's my dog making this. Cabbage, and I think the bottom is where the carrots are. Okay. And here is more lettuce. More lettuce, organic lettuce, more bell peppers. This is a cactus fruit, and I have avocados back there. So yeah, that's what's here. Also down here I got pineapples, pickles, I got soy milk, kimchi, raw kimchi, olives, coconut, and this thing, goyabana. And that's the spirulina. I got some other stuff here. Jams and something blueberry jam. So yeah, that's what it looked like. I don't have much stuff today, and doesn't it look so colorful though? It looks very colorful. I love seeing all the colors. And you know, you guys, we should eat the rainbow. So feel vibrant. Yes. So yeah, that's it. What's inside my fridge? So here is what's in my freezer. Oh, got a bunch of stuff here. See here. These are frozen fruits, frozen papayas. I got coconut there. These are frozen greens. Beet greens. More beet greens. Those are very, very nutritious. So I love to have them for the winter time. And I put them in my smoothie, so I don't mind them frozen. If I don't have a fresh one, I use the frozen greens. So here's my frozen fruits: raspberries, pineapples. That's frozen strawberries, and in the back there's frozen tomatoes. I saved them from the garden, and this is frozen blueberries, wild blueberries. That is frozen tomatoes. I like to put them in soups during the winter time. That's frozen kiwis, frozen papayas, frozen tomatoes. I use them for the winter time. So that's mixed vegetables and veggie gyoza dumplings right here. Oh my goodness. Frozen tomatoes. This is jackfruit. More mixed vegetables. This is right here. Here's my sweet red bean porridge. So I haven't tried that. This is a little bit of snack here. I try not to buy a lot of snacks, but sometimes when I do want to eat snacks, I like these red bean also. Just put it in the air fryer. And that's this grated cassava. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but yes, I have that. Okay, so and in the back there I have turmeric, frozen turmeric, and oh yes, of course, this is lumpia. I made this lumpia. These are veggie lumpia. Very, very good. Delicious, actually. So anytime I want some, I just fry it, olive oil, and I'm good. So yeah, that's what's inside my freezer. Excuse my mess. Okay. Already. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tour. What a tour. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please eat more fruits and vegetables. Let me show you again. Fridge. This actually is pretty good. These guayabano juice. I got that from the Filipino store. Love it. So, yep. Hope you guys like this. Please like and subscribe. Usually I have more stuff in the fridge. I haven't been to the Asian market. So, yep. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tour in my fridge. So I was just showing you some of my stuff that I eat during this time of year. It also depends what time of the year, what I have in there. But yeah, I always have those staples like the berries, greens, and other vegetables. Those are really are a staple for me. But during the winter time and summer, it varies what I have in there. But during this time of year when it's cold, I try to eat some warm stuff. So I like to eat sweet potatoes too during this time of year, and like lots of soups. I love tomato soup. And so yeah, thank you.